Tawagin din natin si Miss Wasan.
Wasan.
Miss Iona.
Iona Wasan. Tama ba yung pag-dance na? So, ang ganda natin apat.
Alam mo na.
Correct. Alam niyo na yung natin babaw.
Only Bill touches our skin. Who touches yours? Tatanong ko nga sa yun eh.
My mother.
Simulan na natin today.
I-announce na natin. Second runner-up. Second runner-up.
Goes to Mia.
The second runner-up of Miss Engineering 2009 is no other than Miss Hazel!
Judges, si Miss Tracy Dizon at Mr. VJ Floresca.
Alam mo ba natin ang mga judges?
Mahirap mag-judge, Marvin.
Judge kasi hindi sila judgmental in the first place. Cute na nga tayo. Oh, sila yung sa Project Runway. Yeah, siya tayo.
Pondra.
Oh, yun. Uy, correct. Again pa lang pala namin sila. Dito na stage.
Alex!
Alex!
I want to say thank you, Miss Engineering. Thank you for inviting us here. And I just want to say congratulations sa inyo lahat kasi it's not easy to become, what you've experienced. So everyone is a winner. Congratulations.
That's correct. Taray! Score! Sa'yo lang katabi. Anyway, moving forward, i-announce na natin ang ating first runner-up. Oh my God! Ang ating first runner-up ng this year's Miss Engineering 2009.
Feeling ko mananalo tayo.
Miss Chika!
Miss Engineering 2009, I see Miss